There's a full moon hanging high. You can bet there's a jacked up four-wheel drive, cruising with the crew with the beer on ice, looking for the girls that'll let their hair down, lead us on, get us thinking they might share a little sugar on a Friday night, making midnight memories lighting up the sky. In the countryside we turn it up loud, and down here we keep the good times flowing, red dirt flying and the radio going, got each other's back and everybody knows it. Yeah, me and my down home boys know how to show a town what's up. We pass it around and fill it back up. Ain't nobody gonna live this life up like me and my down home boys. We're tighter than the tops will twist off when the sun goes down and the workday's gone, like something straight out of a country song. Raised up all farm tan tough, with the scuffs all over our boots, a little rough tangled up in our roots. Yeah, we got a little soft side too, but when the girls get us all wrapped